Hello friends, and thank you for joining me talking about Nano Dimensions. Wow, I have not talked about Nano for about a month now, it seems like. And guys, thank you so much. You must love me. I have hit over 1,000 subscribers. That is totally crazy. I'm so glad that I can help people with insight in the stocks and the stock market. You guys are helping me just as much as I'm helping you. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. But guys, a lot has been going on. A lot of good things have been going on. And let's dive right into that. First things first, this should be a company that you are happy to invest in. This is a real investment opportunity. This is a real company that could really make an investor rich into the future. Looking into a chart for the past 3 months, we have seen an amazing chart on Nano Dimensions. Look at this steady, slow growth climb right here. You've got your mountains and your lows and your mountains and your lows. Guys, that's a great graph. And then with all the news coming out with Nano Dimensions, which we'll talk about here in a second, last week I was looking at Nano Dimensions and I was like, something is going on here. Look at the shelves we're seeing being built here. We got a 1, 2, 3, boom, we go right into a 4 and a 5, and now today we could possibly see an $18 mark, which we've seen that before in Nano Dimensions. But going into the past month with Nano Dimensions, we've seen the company do a lot of share offerings. They have been taking money from the stock and investing it back into the company. And a lot of people were worried about that. But being an investor, I was happy about that. I wasn't worried because they were pumping it back into the company. And that's what you want to see. Now, I don't want to be so naive as to say some of the big dogs in the company didn't take a little paycheck.
$1 million.
But Nano Dimensions sent out its newsletter to shareholders. And guys, this is probably the best newsletter I have ever seen investing into any company. Look at this. Early financial results, approximately revenues of $3.4 million for 2020. Recent cash of $990 million with no debt. So friends, with that news that Nano Dimensions is a debt-free company, you are investing in a debt-free company, and that is a very rare thing, and that's a very good thing, especially a rare thing for a stock literally still this cheap. And then friends, going into the letter just a little bit more, and this is the letter for the shareholders. Of its financial results for the year ended December 31st, 2020, on a preliminary basis, Nano Dimensions reported revenue of approximately $3.4 million for the year ended December 31st, 2020, approximately $990 million of cash and no debt as of January 31st, 2021. So guys, right there, we're seeing what Nano Dimensions brought in 2020. And as you know, 2020, a lot of companies did not make a lot of money, especially this kind of money, especially coming out of 2020, debt-free and with a higher stock price and with money to spend. This is looking good for 2022 if you're a shareholder. And friends, the next step right now with Nano Dimensions, we gotta break into 20. I'm pretty sure 20 is coming really fast here. We've got to break this wall down, and then $20 will come, and then once we get into the 20s, we'll definitely see it start to grow even more. And $20 is gonna attract new investors. $20 is going to bring in a higher society of investors. Friends, I want you to realize there's people that don't invest in the stocks unless they hit a certain market cap. Unless they hit a $20 to $50 range, there's people that won't invest in the stocks because they don't trust it. So when we hit that $20 mark, you're going to see people go, okay, well maybe this is something I should look at. Maybe this is something I should have in my portfolio. And I think we're going to see a lot of big new players come in here, and this is what's going to drive up the $20 mark here. But friends, as always, thank you so much. Remember, be positive, be you. Guys, God bless you, and thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon, guys. Bye.